Since we can't go to the farm because it's muddy, we are going to visit my grandmother in Alang-Alang. We are now here in Alang-Alang and we are going to visit my grandmother's house. That over there. This is my grandmother's garden. As you can see, look at the flowers. It is very beautiful. Hi, Nanay. Isn't this place beautiful? It's refreshing, COVID-free place. I used to play here with my sister, but she's not with us now. What I love going here is trying to find the turtles. I found one and it's big. Where are you going, big one? And another one. This is almost 15 years with us. Oh, you're hiding. There are more under the grass. Some of the turtles here in Nanay's garden. I've been playing with them since I was small.